Hey guys, welcome to Carrosserie Prisme. Today we're back on the Rubicon. So just to show you guys, the frame was put back to place. If you look on this side here, all this part on this side of the car was all inwards into the car. So basically all this was put back to place. Also on the inside here, we had a little engine support that you can see in the back. I'll point it to you right here. It was pushed back also, so the engine was a little crooked. So now everything is back in place. This car should run very nice. Basically we put all the parts back in place just to make sure that everything fits very nice on the car. After that, our next step would be basically taking all the parts back out because everything fits. We're gonna sand them, paint them, and put them back on the car. Let me show you on this side what I mean by color match. So basically you hear me a lot talking about color matching, painting other panels to make them look similar. So as you can see, this one here is the old fender. We didn't have to change it. It wasn't hit on this side, it was hit on the other side. So basically you can see that the two colors are different. If I was only, like, let's say it was scratched here, and if I had to paint this one too, then I'd probably have to go paint other panels because then the color difference would appear too much. So that's pretty much it for this one. I'll show you the final result on the next one. Hey guys, so we're back on the Gladiator. For this one, I just want to show you something very nice of this one, how it's going on. A little update, we would say. So basically here we have the front grille that's fully painted, ready to install on the car. Behind the cameraman right here, we have a couple of trim pieces, like these here that go on the front of the windshield. This here that goes all the way from left to right of the windshield. We got the two fenders here that are freshly painted. So we're basically just waiting for the hood to be painted, and everything's gonna hop back on, and I think this car will be ready to go. So after this, I'll show you guys the final result of this one. I think it's gonna look very nice. Perfect. So there you go, that's the last product, the last finished product, should I say, of the Gladiator that we just did. So as you can see, the car looks super nice. You remember when the car came in, it was smashed, the frame was very crooked. So as you can see now, the lights are brand new, the frame is straight as it ever been, straight from the factory. And in general, this car looks super good. So I was always a fan of these cars. They were like, normally Jeeps are not pickup style, but this one is very nice. They did a good thing doing it. So guys, if you like videos like this, please leave a like, subscribe, and press the bell notification button to get notified every time we do a cool video like this one. Guys, once again, if you have like a type of video that you like more than another, if you like more like explaining, you got more like following a car, see what's going on with it, let us know in the comments below. And thank you guys for the views. We'll see you on the next one.